welcome you all to CaFFEET' 2013 on the theme of how can big data boost society's resilience.
Big data is becoming a tool, a very important tool for utilities, and in particular a company like EDF is going to use big data to improve, for example, the resiliency and the maintenance of its installation, to develop new services for its customers, to develop new simulation tools in order to improve management and operation in nuclear power stations and so on. France and California are roughly two countries with the same size, the same population. The two areas had a lot to exchange, and so we decided to set up CaFFEET with these objectives. And we had also in mind that it could be also a way for French startups to come in the US to present their products, and also for US investors to be aware of French technologies and to see how they could leverage them on the US market.
That's one of the streets in Long Beach that faces the ocean. Everybody had sand in their homes. Not just sand. This is a base, this is the garage. I don't know if you can...
Innovation occurs when you bring lots of different people from lots of different disciplines together to learn from each other, which is what I saw in the room today and yesterday at this event. Because I saw many different people from many different disciplines, from Stanford, from MIT, from IBM, from Orange, from Renault, from lots of different startups, all talking about big data. They all use the same language, they all use the same words, but they all had very different understandings. And that's how you innovate. When you bring different people together from different parts of the world, from different ideas, from different cultures, and you let them share together what they understand.
I'm very pleased to see that big companies, French companies, American companies, and startups, all together, they gather to discuss, to meet. It's very important to me because I think that big companies have a lot to gain from meeting with startups, and startups, of course, they need to work and partner with big companies. Science and business in the Silicon Valley, it's totally linked. So it's our job to put on the table major issues. Last year we discussed energy efficiency. This year we're talking about big data. So it's very important because around these issues we can bring together startups, corporates, and universities like Berkeley or Stanford. And after that we know that very positive things, a lot of value will come out of these meetings.